In this video, I'm going to talk about an important utility which is available free and provided by Microsoft called as PowerToys. Now, PowerToys has nothing to do with Power Platform. PowerToys is a tool provided by Microsoft, but this is kind of a Windows based application. It works mainly with Windows 10, Windows 11 version. Now, I'm going to talk about the preview version, which is currently available, called as on last released on September 2023, which is version 0.74.0. Now, what is Microsoft PowerToys? Microsoft PowerToys is a set of utilities for power users to tune and streamline their Windows experience for greater productivity. So it's mainly about operating on a Windows platform, making your day-to-day work more productive. Okay. Now there are a lot of mini utilities within PowerToys which can help you in your day in day out work. Okay. Now it consists of many tools for productivity for related to keyboard or mouse or file, Windows user interface, images, video, shortcut, etc. Okay, so what is the step is like what you need to do is you need to go into this download link and download this tool. Okay, so this is currently in preview stage. These are some of the features or mini utilities which you can find in the PowerToys application. So there's always on top, awake, color picker, crop and lock, fancy zones, file locksmith, file explorer add-ons, host file editor, image resizer, keyboard manager, mouse utilities, mouse without borders, paste as plain text, peek, power rename, power toys run, quick accent, registry preview, screen ruler, shortcut guide, text extractor. Now, anything which is not marked with any symbol is can be operated using a shortcut key in your keyboard. Anything which is marked as star, like an asterisk, is like basically operates within an embedded feature in Windows application. Okay, so file locksmith will works with file explorer. So if you open file explorer and operate file locksmith, then it will work. Image resizer also, like if you do a right click on any image, then you can resize the image. Okay, uh, double asterisk means a separate app. So if you see registry preview and power rename, now it in the so PowerToys inbuilt has another app called as registry preview or a power rename, through which you can execute those action. So I'll show you how that PowerToys looks. So first, if we go into the documentation of Microsoft PowerToys, you will see a button to install the PowerToys. So if you click here, it will start installing the PowerToys within your application, Windows operating system. And once the PowerToys is installed, which I've already installed, it will show it's in a preview version. If I click on the PowerToys, it will launch this kind of an application. Okay. Now, if you see here, this is the latest version as of 27th of the September, 0.74. Now, on the left hand side, you will see all the application, like a mini application, which is listed over here. Okay, so you have a color picker, you have a crop and lock, you have a file locksmith. So all this application, like what I'm going to do is like I'm going to take all this application one by one in a different video, and I'll explain you the purpose of each of those application. Now, as you see over here in color picker, you have a keyboard shortcut. However, for file locksmith, you don't have that. You need to trigger it in a different way. So I'm going to explain you all this process, and all the settings and all is all listed when you click on this mini applications on the left hand side, and you will be able to configure it further. You know, for some application, it's very minimal application settings available, but for some application, it's huge. You know, the list goes on and on. So I'm going to cover all these things in my upcoming video. So stay tuned for that mini application video. So that's it, folks. This is all about PowerToys. This is like a Windows based application which will help you drive productivity, and it will help you get more things done in a lesser amount of time. Thanks for watching.